This is Kameshwari from Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society Group of Institutions. Today we are going to discuss about principle of soil erosion and its control measures. This is unit 2. In previous classes, already we are discussed different soil erosion techniques. What is soil erosion? What are the different types of soil erosions? How they controls. And this class we are going to discuss about erosion controls. What is erosion control? First, how erosion are formed. How erosion are formed. The erosion are formed during heavy rainfall or a period of time. Continuous rainfall on a ground surface. So some of the water will be infiltrate and the remaining water will be stagnant. But over a period of 24 hours heavy rain, so that water will be percolate on a ground surface. During that percolation, soil also eroded. So that's why that is called as erosion. But how they erosion control, different types of erosion techniques are there. What are the different types of erosion controls? By the different techniques are developing agricultural land development, river banks, coastal areas, and construction. These are the different techniques for erosion controls. First of all, the main aim is use land according to their capability. Use land according to their capability. So overall land cover with vegetation, so it reduce the soil infiltration and also increase the groundwater table. So protect the soil with some of the cover. So you can cover by using vegetation. So it utilization for your food purpose and plantation, different purposes, and also it reduces the soil erosion and control runoff before it develops as an erosive process. And what are the different techniques for prevent the soil erosion? The different techniques are vegetation, contour forming, build retaining wall, windbreakers, conservation tillage, and mulching. These are the different techniques for preventing the soil erosion. So first we can go for step by step how soil are reduced by using these techniques. By using these techniques, how we can reduce the soil erosion, to prevent the soil erosion. The first technique is vegetation. How they prevent the soil erosion? Simply, this is the main important method for reducing the soil erosion. By using this one, soil erosion, by using this technique, by using this technique, we can improve the groundwater table also. That is called as simpler method, most methods. So utilize the plantation. So any type of trees we can plantation like crops. This is the different these are the vegetables and this is the trees, crop. These are utilized for. So roots are full capacity. So roots hold the soil, so it reduces the soil erosion. These are the flowers and cabbage, like this type of trees or crops are grow on a ground surface. So it increases the infiltration capacity, reduce the soil erosion by vegetation, by growing the vegetation. So prevent soil erosion. Root system. So root system absorb the water from soil and then increase the infiltration capacity. And also these flowers and these roots, these leaves absorbs the water, so holding capacity on a these leaves, so that water also evaporated and transmitted through atmosphere. These two flowers and these leaves. So plant root system bind the soil at the surface, so increases the strength of the soil and also reduces the soil erosion And another one is water management system. How waters are managed? So transpiration is the process in water is evaporated from aerial parts. What are the different types of aerial parts? That leaves, stems and flowers. Through that leaves, stems and flowers, water will be yeah, transpirated, and water is necessary for plants. So amount of infiltration water through up by roots, water is necessary for the plants. So amount of infiltrate water taken up by the roots, and also root system absorb water from the soil, which decreases erosion by water. So water will be absorbed from the soil, to root zone. Due to that, decreases the soil erosion, increases the infiltration. And next technique is contour forming. This mainly used for downside of the hillside. Different types of techniques for using forming techniques. This is the one of the technique depend upon land. Why? Because of hilly side, so up to down, so water will be percolate upstream side to downstream side. Here up to down level of flows, depend upon that area, either cross area, incline area, hill area. Different type of land will be there. Flat area we can go for one type of farming area. So here hillside, so due to that contour forming, uh, flowing level of flows around a hills as opposite to forming up and down on a hills. Due to that, it refers the cultivation of crops along the same elevation across the slope of hillside, rather than a downhill. So due to that contour forming reduce the runoff velocity. Why? Because of crossways. um, this crossways, water will be step by step. So this is hillside, water will be hold these curves, these contours, water will be holded. So reduce the runoff velocity and also increase soil moisture, thus increasing the water infiltrability, and also lower the runoff loss transport capacity. So runoff losses will be reduced, and also lower the sediment transport, and also the excess runoff is discharged and non-eroding velocities, and also non-eroding velocity. Contour techniques of farming are participated across the globe to transfer soil and water. These are the different farming techniques. This is one of the contour techniques, used this type of way used in hillside, downside side. So reduce the runoff velocity, increase the infiltration capability, and also runoff process also reduced. So these are used in hillside areas. This is the one of the method by using to prevent the soil erosion. This is the one of the technique for reducing or preventing the soil erosion. How? By these contours holds the water. These are the crops, so holds the water. So this area up to down, these all are area holds the water. So water will be comes from up to down. So in this way water will be follow this way. So here runoff velocity, runoff will be reduced. So this water will be infiltrated, so soil absorb the water and also crops also absorb the water. Due to that, crops to root zone will be holds the water and soil, so reduces the soil erosion, so infiltration will be increased, and moreover crops also growing properly. So this is the one of the technique for preventing the soil